weather outside today?
The current weather is 5 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies and sun.
5 degrees? Jeez, it's cold. Because it's so cold outside, I think I'm gonna wear jeans. Put on a turtleneck and jeans. You don't even know what I'm doing today. If you're new here, my name is Jarissa and I'm taking you guys to go study with me. Reason for that is because I really need to study. If I study here at home, I am going to end up on my bed taking a 5-hour nap, and that is not the point of this video. So I'm forcing myself to go to a cafe and like study there and get some work done. I'm studying for 3 exams and 1 quiz pretty much. You're gonna come with me, so maybe you can also be inspired to get up and study and, you know, be productive. And as you heard from Alexa, it is currently 5 degrees today. I'm wearing my turtleneck from, actually I thrifted this, which is really great, but it's actually from Uniqlo. I want to put on a little makeup because I feel like during the winter I lost a lot of my tan and like I'm very pale. Like this is pale to me and it's not working out. I literally just smear it all over my face, so you guys don't have to keep staring at my crusty dusty lips. I also layer it with some powder brush. This is just the Sephora one. I love the colors in these. This is like more orangey and this is like a pinkish. I don't know, it's just so pretty. I really like it. Okay, see, this is the issue because I'm just like, okay, I'll put a little bit of blush, and then once I put the blush on, I'm just like, no, I can't stop. So now I'm gonna put brows on. Okay, I just put these little clips in my hair just to hold my bangs back while I'm studying. See, they kind of look stupid, but actually they're kind of cute. I'm trying to make a goal to stop like degrading myself, because if someone told me like those clips are ugly, I would be mad at them. So why not hold myself to the same standard? And also I braided my hair last night, so it's giving this kind of wave-ish. Now is the fun part where we actually go. Hello. I don't know if you heard that. That was a really rough start to my car. But yeah, it's really cold out here. Like, it's the kind of cold where you walk outside, anything that's not covered with another layer starts like burning. I need to figure out where I can put you guys because, yeah, now we're just gonna sit here until my car warms up. Let's put some lotion on. This lotion is frozen. That was not a smart idea, honestly. I've made it to the car. I don't know why it takes me forever to leave. I woke up at like 9:30. It's currently 12. Oh my god, how is it? No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, I forgot. My clock is wrong. It's an hour ahead because when daylight saving comes, my car doesn't automatically change the time and I have to change it myself, and I always... Not that I forget to do it, I'm just too lazy to. The actual time, it's 10:43. I always forget to bring quarters, and I always know that I need quarters on the street. I don't get why they can't be like everyone else, do the pay with the app. But no. Oh my god, hallelujah. I just remember they do take dimes. Look, oh my god, look what I just found. Look how ugly that is. This is a dime, right? I'm pretty sure this is a... What is this? Or maybe it's a penny? I don't even know. I ordered a matcha latte and it's beautiful in here. It is so cute. Oh my god, it's so good. Left the cafe, and honestly that was the best experience ever. Like, it was so nice in there. Something like really unique is that in the front section it's like a cafe, and then in the back they have a ceramic studio, so you can go and just sit and paint. It's like there's that store where you can like paint stuff and paint like little ceramics. They have like pre-made mugs and cups and you can choose whatever you want and then paint it. Definitely want to go back and do that one time. And it's so homey because they have like couches and places for you to sit, but it's not just like regular tables, like, but they have like stools and bars, and there's a whole section with just couches. I stayed there for about 2 hours. I got some work done. Got there at the most perfect time because it was so sunny and bright and really pretty. So yeah, I had to come back after 2 hours because I didn't put enough like quarters, and it was starting to get busy and I didn't want to like take up any tables. So alright, I'm back at home. I'm gonna tell you guys a secret. My car keys battery finally died on me because when I got to the cafe I tried locking my car and like the keys just weren't working. These ones. And I knew the battery was dying, and I'm just like, I'll fix it eventually. But it finally died. I forgot that you can like manually lock a car from like the side, where the side handle is. So I just left my car unlocked that whole entire time I was at the cafe. Oh my goodness, hello babies. Okay, now I'm gonna make some lunch because all I had to eat today was nothing. I only had that matcha drink, which was fantastic. It was so good. I don't know what they did to that. I think it's because they actually had sugar, because whenever I'm home and I can control the amount of sugar, I put a lot less, which makes it taste worse, because when you actually see yourself putting the sugar, you're like, oh, that's a lot. But when you go to a restaurant, they just do it for you. You don't really look at it, you just like taste it, and it was really good matcha. Now I'm studying on the couch, which is probably a bad idea. Actually, I don't know why it would be considered a bad idea. I feel like it's really comfy here. I'm nice and cozy up with my heated blanket, and look at my cat. There's my cat. Hi cat. I have my iPad, my computer. I use Notion pretty much for everything. So this is my Notion. Unsponsored, by the way. If Notion, you want to sponsor me, I wouldn't mind. Basically, in this, oh shoot, I forgot how to do this. See, this is why it's important. I feel like it's pretty like basic. I have my to-do list, to buy list, and then all the stuff that I got done if I like want to keep it there. Usually in a couple weeks I like end up deleting it, but it's good to have just to see what you've accomplished. This is specifically for homeworks, like due dates and stuff, and then sometimes I just write random stuff here. Here I literally just have like my list of like recipe ideas. This is my sidebar section, so I have the home, and I also like have other stuff that like is helpful to me, because this is like the main brain dump page, right, where I can just like quickly put out to-do lists. And I have other sections related to other areas of my life. For example, I have this content section where I'm able to organize all the stuff that I need to get done for my YouTube, and this is FXP shortcuts, which is basically my notes for Final Cut Pro. Here's my course schedule. Then here are my notes. These are for my classes. I have farm, family-centered nursing, and then I have HIM. I honestly forgot what this stands for. It stands for something. Health Integrated Management, something like that. I make pages for each week. So in week 1, I have this, and then I have pages inside to I can type out my lecture notes. So here's peds. You could definitely make this a lot cuter, but I'm just, I guess, too lazy for that. One really good tip I have when it comes to studying is just dividing and conquering, because you know the general topic of what your exam is going to be on. For example, on Monday, my exam is going to be on pregnancy. But when you break it up into sections based on what you need to study, it helps a lot, and it helps you like really plan it out per day. Pregnancy, I know it's going to cover around 4 topics, right? My professor does a PowerPoint on each. So I'll separate my study times into 4, preparing to study 4 days in advance. That's like optimal, because I can do 1 section per day, so I don't have to stress myself out. Realistically, that never really happened, let's be quite honest. It's actually not 4 topics. I was just like making that as an example. It's actually 8 topics. So I have 2 days left. Yeah, I'm time crunching right now. Should have studied earlier. Honestly, I did start studying earlier, but I feel like I wasn't very effective with my time, which is why I'm stressing out now. So let's get to studying.